This is the home of the famous scientist, Professor Grossenfibber. Let's go inside and see what he's doing. Oh, Professor?
Oh, hello there.
Professor, could you give us an example of the type of work you are doing?
Oh, sure. Come over here, please. You see, I got here a common, ordinary flea. Now watch what happens with the flea.
That's amazing, Professor. But aren't you afraid one of your monsters might attack you?
Oh, no. You see, I have perfect control at all times. Hey, go away, you no-good woodpecker! Maybe I could use him in one of my experiments.
Hey, what's going on here?
This will be very interesting. Now we will see what wonders I have created. Oh, for my goodness sakes! No, wait a minute! Stop! Stop, crazy monster! No, go away. Be nice, monster. What are you doing to me?
What happened?
Now I get you. Hello there. You waiting maybe for streetcar?
Oh,
Oh, my goodness. Oh, that's better. Crazy woodpecker, come out of there.
Oh, hello there. Let's try a little experiment, shall we? Oh, this is a lot of fun. Professor!
Oh, hello there, Woody Woodpecker. Come to me. Give me big kiss.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't come!
Man, look at those crazy bugs. Help! Let me out! Help! Professor, let me out!
Who is it? Where are you?
It's me, Woody Woodpecker. I'm here inside this can.
Aha! I got you now, you dumb woodpecker!
Phew, that was close.